Considering a new budget iPhone in 2025? The iPhone 17e just launched, but its biggest rivals are shockingly not Android phones. They're older, more powerful iPhones. This video reveals why you could get dramatically more features for your money by looking beyond Apple's latest entry. Find links to buy these incredible iPhone deals in the description below, so you don't miss out. Number 1. iPhone 17e. This $599 device offers new features like 256GB base storage and MagSafe, but surprisingly compromises on camera capabilities compared to older flagships. Number 2. New iPhone 15. For as low as $530, a brand new iPhone 15 provides a superior dual camera system with an ultra-wide lens and advanced video modes the 17e simply lacks, making it a powerful alternative. Number 3. Refurbished iPhone 15. Score an Apple-certified refurbished iPhone 15 at just $529, 128GB, delivering virtually new performance with a warranty and premium camera features, often below the 17e's price. Number 4. iPhone 16. Seeking Apple Intelligence or the action button? The iPhone 16, new or refurbished around $619, offers these cutting-edge additions alongside its dual camera system, providing a more future-proof option. Number 5. Used iPhone 15 Pro. For top-tier performance on a budget, used iPhone 15 Pro, around $557 to $600, boasts a triple camera, telephoto lens, and the potent A17 Pro chip, truly blowing the 17e out of the water in features, despite requiring careful battery checks. Don't buy the 17e before watching this ultimate iPhone comparison for 2025.